It's the old story of give and take. Nature gives us humans a great deal. Light, air, water, tranquility. Yet, what have we given back to the environment? Often just careless treatment. A few years ago, we became aware of a change of attitude and, moreover, in power generation. Styria reacted immediately and established a cluster in the area of energy and environmental technology, ECO World Styria, with specialist skills in biomass, solar energy, material flow and water.
ECO World Styria's goal is to grow business and research at this location so that by 2015 there'll be more global technology leaders in renewable energy here than elsewhere. If there's to be a Silicon Valley, then in 2015 there's to be a green tech valley here in Styria.
Styrian companies are already today international technology and market leaders. In order to strengthen and augment this position, ECO World Styria supports those companies with numerous strategic sources of leverage and projects covering innovation and know-how.
Real leverage comes from joining 8 to 12 companies, research organizations and the customers say these products are great. But we still don't have this and that. And then we look at how we can make that happen together, whether there's a market for it and how we can tackle the research and development together.
Within the cluster, there are already more than 200 companies and research organizations working today on the green technologies of tomorrow. 16,000 employees in environmental technology and a turnover of more than 3 billion euros. Say it loud and clear: growth through innovation. An example, located in Gleisdorf, the company Binder & Co. This market leader specializes in the segments of processing and environmental technology. Its machines and installations find application worldwide, in mining and recycling, for example.
The new product ideas originate mostly from key customers, so the actual ideas of developing a new product doesn't originate from a research institute. The research institutes then come to help us realize them. And of course this is where ECO World Styria is important, because ECO World Styria is in touch not only with Binder & Co, but also with universities and technical colleges.
ECO World Styria is owned by the province, city and 4 companies and research organizations. Total investment amounts to 2.2 million euros. Both the province of Styria and the EU subsidy programme for Regional Competitiveness in Styria 2007 to 2013 have each subsidised the project with around 440,000 euros.
With the support of the European Union, it has been possible to build up a really very good cluster here. The American Green Tech Group said we were the world's best environmental technology cluster. It's clear that, in the cluster, we have research, administration and companies, so we're heavy hitters.
Nowadays, ECO World Styria collaborates with many other European environmental technology clusters. That offers better tools for innovation and export.
And now, integrated Europe is basically bringing us 75% of our annual turnover. That's the big success of the EU for Binder & Co. And of course for our international strength, because the introduction of the euro has meant reduced currency risks for Binder & Co. in foreign trading with Indonesia, India and the USA, for example.
Also profiting from the integrated European idea is the company BDI in Graz. The core capability of this market and technology leader is the development and implementation of biodiesel production processes. This can be produced from a wide variety of raw materials, for example, discarded cooking oil and animal fat. In its own large laboratories, the company is continually engaged in research to develop processes for utilizing new raw materials.
With standardized environmental legislation, with environmental regulations that are valid in all countries, we have the possibility of offering our technologies for environmental protection in other areas too.
Here, the vision will stay the same: a maximum concentration of environmental technology leaders in Styria.